Ready to start trading on ThinkOrSwim? First step is to fund your TD Ameritrade account so you can trade live. Welcome to How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. Today, I'll show you exactly how to fund your ThinkOrSwim account step by step. ThinkOrSwim requires a funded TD Ameritrade account since it's their platform. If you don't have an account yet, head to TD Ameritrade's website and sign up. Once your account's approved, you're ready to fund it. Log into your TD Ameritrade online dashboard at tdameritrade.com. Then find the Transfer Money or Funding tab. Here you'll see multiple ways to add funds. You can fund your account via bank transfer or ACH, which is linking your checking or savings account for easy transfers. You can also use wire transfer. It's faster but may have fees. We also have deposit check. It's either by mail or mobile deposit. Then select your preferred method, enter how much you want to deposit, and follow the instructions to complete the transfer. ACH transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days. Wire transfers can be same day but check for fees. Once your funds show in your TD Ameritrade account, open ThinkOrSwim. Your buying power will update automatically and you're ready to trade. Thank you for watching How to Literally and see you in the next one.